Lucky Orange Shopify Setup Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Lucky Orange on Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you can also use my affiliate link on the description below where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your browser and kindly go to shopify.com. In which, if you don't know Shopify, it is a popular e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create online stores and sell products or services. The platform offers features such as product management, ordering processing, payment integration, and marketing tools to help businesses grow their online presence and reach customers globally. And now, to start using this platform for free, just click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner. And after signing in, you will be directed on this page. So this is what the homepage looks like of Shopify. And on the left side panel, you will be able to see here some of the options that you can start navigating. But in those options to start installing Lucky Orange, just click this Add Apps button right here. And in this pop-up window, just scroll down until you find the Shopify App Store. So kindly click on it, and upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this Shopify App Store. And just go to the search bar and kindly search Lucky Orange Application. And after searching for Lucky Orange Application, just proceed by clicking on it below this result. And upon doing so, you will be able to be directed in here, in which, from here, if you scroll down, it will show you the overview about this application and also the features it offers. Aside from that, if you scroll down below here, you will be able to see some of the pricing plan it offers for this application. And as you can see, it offers for free and also with paid plan. And now, let's proceed by installing this Lucky Orange application to our Shopify. So just proceed by clicking this install button right here. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, just click this install button right here. Then you will be directed on this page, and from here, just log in your account such as your email address and also fill out your password. However, to create new account, just click the Create One button on the top right corner, in which upon clicking on it, you will be able to be directed on this page. Then from here, just enter your email to start your free trial. Then by clicking the button below here, you will be directed in here. And to set up your account, just enter your name, your password, and click the Continue Setup button below here to proceed. And then from here, just select your answer to their question, what will you be using Lucky Orange for? You can simply select your answer in here, or alternatively, you could also skip this part. However, in this case, I'm going to choose to click this Continue Setup button to proceed. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter the name of your organization, such as your company name. Then just proceed by clicking Continue to Setup button. And after that, you will be directed in here. Then just proceed by clicking your primary role, then click Continue to Setup button below here. And after that, it will ask you what would you like to do first in Lucky Orange. And I'm going to select this reports and just click Continue the Setup button to proceed. And upon clicking on it, we will be directed on this page. And from here, just enter your website domain. And to do that, just go back to your Shopify and under Settings, kindly copy this domain. And upon copying that, just go back to this Lucky Orange page right here and kindly paste the domain that we just copied. Then click Continue Setup button. And after that, you will be directed in here. So this is basically what the dashboard looks like of Lucky Orange. And from here, you will see on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating, including this overview dashboard by simply clicking on it. From here, under this dashboard, you will be able to see here some of the analytics, including the live visitor snapshot, the number of total visits, the location, total pages, and other data. So basically from here, it serves a centralized hub where users can access various analytics and insights about their website performance and visitor behavior. And also you can navigate visitors option right here. From here, it will allow users to monitor and track the behavior of individual visitors on their website in real time. So you will be able to see here the name of your visitors, the date and time, pages, duration, source, other info. And aside from that, you can also navigate on the left side panel, this Communicate, which you can create here a survey, announcement, chat invites, chat activity, chat settings in your website or store. And from here, it allows website owners to interact with their visitors through live chat, providing assistance, answering questions, or guiding them through website. And this feature enables businesses to offer personalized support, addresses concerns, and ultimately improve the overall customer experience. Moving on, this analytics option right here on the left side panel. From here, you will be able to see here the valuable insights into website visitor behavior and interaction with your site, in which it offers a range of analytical tools and metrics to help you understand how visitors navigate your website. While under the settings option, by simply clicking on it, from here you will be able to see here the members or your team in here. If you want to create a team, just click on it and just click or choose a team in here and just proceed by filling out all of the required information to create a team. Aside from that, these options serve as control center where users can configure various aspects of their Lucky Orange account. From here, by clicking integrations, you will be able to see here what this platform or application can integrate with. We have here HubSpot, Shopify, Square, WordPress, Zapier, and many more. So basically, those are some of the websites that can integrate with this app of Lucky Orange. And now, let's try to create a survey. To do that, just click the Communicate on the left side panel, and from here under Survey, just click New Survey button, and it will ask you what type of survey did you want to create. We have here multiple choice, like or dislike, rating, and open-ended question. But in those options, I'm going to choose this rating type. And from here, you will be able to choose either one question or multiple questions. But in those options, I'm going to choose this one question. Then from here, just enter or create a name for this survey. Let's say I'm going to enter here, Test Survey. Then just click the Next button. And after that, from here, under Step 1, all you need to do is enter your question. So let's say I'm going to enter here, how would you rate our store? And on the right side panel, it will show you how it looks like when a customer tries to see or how can customer navigate the survey. And below here, you will be able to see here the feedback after the survey. And now to proceed, just click this Next Step button on the top right corner. And under this Step 2, you could also select what triggers the survey. We have here the location on the website, devices, and also the delay. And after that, to proceed, just click the Next Step button on the top right corner. And under Step 3, which is the delivery, you can select your preferred duration in here. But I'm just going to click the Next Step button on the top right corner, and under Review or the Step 4, this is basically what it looks like. And to proceed, just click the Launch button, then you will be directed in here. And as you can see under the surveys, you have now created successfully a kind of survey. And if you want to see the result, you can simply click on it, then you will be able to see here the summary, the visitor, the response rate, and many more. And if you also want to check if this survey worked, just go to this website or to your online store. From here, you will be able to see here, or you should see here, a pop-up window would contain a questionnaire about the survey that we just created earlier. However, currently there's no survey popping up, but if you do find a survey or it pop up on your online store, you'll be able to track here the number of visitors that has been reached, the response rate or the percentage of the people who actually participate to the survey in your online store. So basically, Lucky Orange is a powerful analytics and conversion optimization tool that can be integrated with Shopify to provide valuable insights into visitor behavior, improve user experience, and increase conversions. Also, it is important to engage with customers in real time and make data-driven decisions to drive business growth. So that is just basically how you can set up Lucky Orange on Shopify. Thank you.